I'm Emmanuel and welcome to my workbench. This is my announcement video for my multi-channel giveaway where I will be giving away these 6 silver coins, 3 1967 mackerel coins and 3 1968 50% silver regular design dimes. To be eligible for this giveaway, you have to read the rules that are down below in the description. Number 1, you must leave a comment. Number 2, you must be publicly subscribed to my channel. If you are not publicly subscribed, when I drew the draw, I'm going to check that I can see my channel in your subscribed channels on your YouTube profile. If you are not, you will be disqualified. So make sure you are publicly subscribed. There are plenty of YouTube videos out there that explain how to change your YouTube settings to be publicly subscribed. Number 3, I will draw a lucky winner on December 30th for these coins, and I will be glad to send them to you anywhere in the world. And finally, you will have 2 weeks to send me an email to claim your prize. The lucky winner will also have a chance at a jackpot. There are 19 other channels participating in this giveaway. We have all contributed 1 ounce or 1 equivalent ounce of silver to this giveaway, and there will be 5 prizes. The grand prize plus a second, third, and fourth prize. So head on over to Hunting Southwest Ohio's channel for the announcement video. I'll put the link up over here. That's where the official announcement video is with all of the details. He will be doing a live stream on January 1st and will be drawing the lucky winners of a massive amount of silver. First prize, I think, at this point is at least 10 ounces of silver. So that is awesome. Who are the other channels that are participating? If you look down in my description, I have put them all there. At the time of this recording, there are 19 other channels other than mine, and I strongly suggest that you go over to them and subscribe to their channel and leave a comment on their comment videos. Their rules might be slightly different than mine, so be careful, watch the video to the end, and make sure you follow the rules so you don't get disqualified on their channel giveaway. And the channel so far, there might be more channels that join after I publish this video, but as of the recording of this video, the participants are The Coin Guy, aka Young Numismatist, Dad Learning Coins, Detecting Daddy, Diggin', of course my channel, Emmanuel's Workbench, Enigma Coin Collector, G.A. Silver Hunter, Hunting Southwest Ohio, Larry Powell II, Las Vegas Urban Treasure Hunter, Lost Boys Recovery, Mandy Brown, Metal Detecting North Carolina, Original ATOGS Coins, Patriotic Stacker, Pine Creek Coins, Silver Scorpion, Sturika, Treasure Charger, and Walker Magnet. Links to their channels are all down below, so head on over and subscribe to them. Leave a comment on their comment video. Good luck, everyone. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, I do appreciate a thumbs up. You can also leave a comment down below to be eligible for my giveaway, and to subscribe, click on my logo right over here and you will be subscribed. And just in case you're interested, I have another video over here that might interest you, as well as a playlist over here that you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching.